Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. It is time for the November 2023 Mani by Me Follow the Tutorial card. So we're going to be doing this tutorial today. And just as a reminder, in the kit you're going to get the tutorial, you'll get a description of what's in there, you'll get a sticker, you'll get MXM115 and 116. These are both like sweatery Christmas themed. And then you're going to get the two colors, Winterberry and Spearmint, this really pretty green and this really pretty shimmery red. You also will get a keychain that looks a little bit like a lot like a nail polish bottle, which is kind of cool. So those are the things you're going to get. We are going to follow the tutorial at this time. So let's get started. Okay, it says on clean nails, apply a base coat. Next, apply a coat of metallic blue polish and allow it to dry. Now, people, I didn't have metallic blue. I had a blue that was similar-ish, and then it says apply a blue glitter polish over the base color and allow it to completely dry. So what I have is this Born Pretty blue shimmery powder that goes over a nail. I don't know, let's try to use it, see what happens. So it is blue. We'll just see what happens. This is, by the way, well loved and used with other colors. So let's just see what happens when we use it on this one. Okay. I have not, this one has a tacky layer once it's been cured. So I hope it doesn't mess things up too bad. I left it on there. I did not take it off. So, okay. I'm just going to brush that on. I think it's going to be similar-ish to what they were trying to achieve. I don't know, should I have taken the tacky layer off? I don't know. I think it's going to work once I put a top coat on it for sure. And you guys, look! Oh my gosh, I did pretty well. That got pretty close. Okay, so we are... at this stage now, it says allow it to dry completely. I don't think I really need any dry time here. So on to step 3. While with white stamping polish, pick up the Let Us Know image on MXM115, center and stamp the design in the middle of the nail. That is this image, right chow. And let's see if I can take off with one pull. Get ready, pray for me. Oh, Mom, I didn't make it. But that was a good pull afterwards, so. All right, so we are going to be stamping Let It Snow right in the middle. So let's get our stamping stuff ready, which I didn't have it out. I didn't have it ready. I don't know what you want me to say. I'm behind the curve today, okay? Oh, and I didn't want to use white. I love this one during the winter time. This frozen color is my absolute favorite. You can see I already have it on my nails, like, I don't mess around. If it's between November and February, instead of white, I'm using this color. It's so vibrant and really pretty and shimmery and white, and it's what I use. So suck it up. My tutorial is not perfect. It's not just like theirs. What can I say? Let it snow. Uh-oh, got too much. So let me take some stuff off of here. Too much, but not too bad. And is my nail fat enough to get? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Right in the middle. Get in the middle. Get in the middle. Get in the middle. Get in the middle. Was I in the middle? Did it happen? I'm rocking. I'm rocking. Okay, it's a little crooked, but it's in the middle. So I'm okay with that. All right then, on to the next step. Step 4, using the same stamping polish color. Okay, pick up any of the snowflake designs from plate MXM115 or 116 and apply the stamped designs around the phrase. Be as creative as you want. So they just put them all around. So are they gonna matte top coat it? Oh my gosh, I'm so done with matte top coating. Ugh. Okay, I think this would look way better if it was shiny, but whatever, we're going to follow the directions. So let's go find some snowflake designs. I don't think I like the snowflakes on here as much as I like the snowflakes on here. I think this would be a really good place to get some snowflakes. So let's see, can she do it? Can I take this one off in one fell swoop? Here we go. I'm getting everything out of my way. Poop! Poop! Messed it up again. I couldn't even get it in two in that time, y'all. Things are sketchy for me lately. Okay, so let's go over here. I'm gonna clean off my stamper. I just got a little lint brush that I'm using. And I'm going to pick up some, I'll probably pick up the whole strip and then just kind of place them where I want them. Zip. I don't know how much of that'll fit on my stamper head, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a lot of them. Zoop, all the way across. I got them all, I got them all, I got them all. Okay, and I'm just gonna go around the edges. Hopefully you guys can see. Boom. Boom. I'm just getting creative, as it said. I don't know how creative you can get with stamping white snowflakes on stuff, but there we go. There we go. Very pretty. I do like a good blue and white snowflake design. I really do. Okay, apply the smudge-free top coat to protect the design and then finish with matte. Okay, let me go grab my stuffs. Smudge-free top coat is over here somewhere. And then we'll do a different one that actually uses the colors from the kit. And I don't know how it's going to turn out. So, one coat of smudge-free top coat. I like my shimmery underneath. I think using that powder was a good idea. That's a pretty nail, y'all. I like it glossy. Oh my gosh, that is real pretty. Okay, we will wait for that to dry though so we can get it matte like it says in the tutorial. We'll do it. Let me get some things ready for the next one now. Okay, just so you guys know, I did do my swatches of these colors earlier and I thought I would use the green. Because I want to do candy cane, that's what I want to do. So I thought it would be easier for me to pick up the candy cane in white and then I can use the red on it too. I just don't know how the two of them are gonna look on the same nails. So we'll just have to kind of see what happens. I'm for it, are you guys for it? And I wanted to use also some of this strip, like this part of the strip down here. So let me grab that. I'm going to put it on the very, very edge of the nail. I don't know, I'm just thinking of things over here. So I wanted to use my frozen color again. And I thought the cute little deer were so adorable. It probably doesn't make sense to do deer and a candy cane on the same nail, but I don't know. I don't know. So we're just going to do it. See what happens. I mean, you know what I mean? All right, does that look okay? All right. I was just gonna throw them on the bottom down here. Try to send. Oh, whoa! Is me? I got wiggly. Goodness gracious! Holy poop! This is not good up here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, they're not centered. I got wiggly. I got anxious. I didn't do a great job there. So that's okay. We're just gonna go on with it. Can you find it in your heart to forgive me? Will the candy cane fit? I think it's still gonna fit. So let's give it a whirl. So what I'm gonna do with it though is I'm gonna put it in white and then I'm gonna fill in the stripes with red. And we'll see how it looks on the nail. I probably could have done something with the deer. No, I really couldn't. There wasn't much to do. I didn't even get a good stamp. Y'all, that was an epic failure all around. So, let's see if we can make the candy cane better. I don't think that's a stellar outcome. So let's do candy cane again. I mean, let's at least get half of the nail looking decent. Okay. All right, I feel good about this next one. I'm gonna roll it, pick it up gently, ever so gently. All right, here we go. There we go. And I'm just gonna boop. That's better. I think I picked that other image up way too fast. Okay, and I'm going to now do a little tiny baby reverse stamping on the back. I've got myself a detail brush here, and I'm going to use the red color, the Winterberry color that came with it, to do the stamping. So, the reverse stamping, that is. I'm just going to fill in the stripes. Okay, one stripe down. Shaky, shaky old lady hands. That's what that is right there, people. Okay, 2 stripes down. 3 stripes coming at ya. Don't be afraid of the stripe. Don't be afraid of it. Okay, I did it. How's it looking? You guys, how's it looking? Okay, if I can ever get it to focus. Not too shabby. Last stripe. There's going to be some green showing through because I didn't get the stamp perfect. So you know what I'm going to do instead? I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that white color and fill in the gaps. Let's see where they are. Is it just the one on the bottom? Yeah, I think it's just the one on the bottom. So I'm going to just kind of wipe off my brush like that, because I don't want to use the acetone on them if I can help it, because that just kills your brushes. I just took a dab of the frozen color, and I'm just going to go boop. I'm just going to give it a boop, y'all. Boop, boop, boop. There. Okay, now we got to wait for things to dry. So I'll wait for this to dry, I'll wait for that to dry. And I feel so bad about that. I really messed it up, but okay, anyway, I'll be back with you in a couple minutes. Okay, I am going to be putting a matte top coat on top of this guy now, even though I think it looks totally fine with the shiny. Let's give it a matte, and then I'll set it off to the side. So you can see what that looks like later. This was the Maniology matte top coat, which does a really nice job turning things matte. It did kind of discolor over time, but that you can't ever see that discoloration on the actual nail, so that's good. Okay, now that this has had some time, I am going to do a little bit of a sticky base. Again, I've got Maniology sticky base, and I will apply it to this portion up here. Poor little deer, just looks so janky. My cap came off, but the stuff didn't, so. Oh my gosh, I always put way too freaking much of this stuff. What is wrong with me? Why have I got such a heavy hand? All right, well, that's gonna need some time to dry. So I'll see you in about a minute. All right. I maybe waited too long. I don't know. Let's give it a whirl. I'm just going to put this candy cane dream right on top of everything. Boom. Okay, that's kind of cute. If I'd gotten my reindeer correct, that could have turned out better for sure. Or I could have just done the one candy cane. But anyway, guess what? I'm not going to matte top coat this one. On my own design, I'm going to use a regular smudge-free top coat. And then we'll let both of these guys dry so you can see what's up. Okay. There's my smudge-free top coat. I think the red actually looks pretty good on the green. I just wanted to use their colors that came with the kit I like it when you can use the kit colors to achieve something. But anyway, all right, I'll be back when everything drops. There we have it. These are tutorials for November, the November 2023 Mani by Me box. You've got the one I created myself using the colors from the kit. And yeah, theirs is definitely way cuter than mine this time. I can't believe I messed that one up so bad. But the candy cane is cute. I should have done just the candy cane. Anyway, the mat does look good. It always looks good when they say to use it, but they say to use it a lot. And I just don't use matte that much. But this is really, it's very pretty. So I gotta say it's very pretty. I think I would like it glossy, but it is very pretty. And it's just a really pretty nail. Cute tutorial, for sure. Okay, people. I think that's it for me. That was the tutorial for the November box, and I'm excited to see what December box has to hold for us. And people, if you like Maniology, like I like Maniology, then you might want to go and get yourself 10% off of your order. You can use the code GrooveMama to do that. Their stamping kits make awesome gifts, so feel free to stock up and pass those out at Christmas because it is a great gift for teenagers, for preteens, for people that just love anybody who just might enjoy doing their nails. It gives them something different to do when they're stamping. Anyway, if you want to follow me on Instagram too, that would be appreciated. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!